Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The first hadith in English is that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your actions are being determined by your intentions." Listen carefully. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your actions are being determined by your intentions." What it means? It means that whatever you do, whether it is good, whether you help the poor, whether you help the man, whether you help the woman, whether you help the old person, whether you help the old woman. So whatever you do, it is for the happiness of Allah Almighty. It is for the happiness, for not for the people. It is not for to show. It is not to show that that if you are doing something good, that it is not related to the people. That people will say that if I am doing something good, if I help the poor, that people will say that Osman is so good person. Osman is a good person because he helps the poor. So if I am doing something for the people, for the happiness of the people, then what will happen? What will happen? Listen carefully. What will happen? I will push to Jahannam. So if I am doing something good for just for the happiness of Allah Almighty, so what will happen with me? Allah Almighty will give me a Jannat. Allah Almighty will push me to Jannat. So whatever you do, it is related to your intentions. If your intention is good, if your niyyat is good, if your whatever you do, if that very act, that very amal, that very niyyat, or that very things is good. So what will happen? You will find Jannat. You will find success. You will find your destination, your purpose, your aim. So so again I am saying, let suppose I take an example for your understanding that let's suppose from this side, from this side, from the right side there is a Jannat. Let's suppose we suppose it, from this side there is Jannat and from this side there is a Jahannam. From my right side there is Jannat and from my left side there is Jahannam. And the way, and there is a path which separate the Jannat from the Jahannam. So, and we take the name to that very way is an intention. Look carefully and listen carefully. This is an important and this is very good example for you people. There is from this side there is Jannat and from this side and from that very side there is Jahannam, and the way we separate the Jannat from the Jahannam is what? Is intentions. So the name of the way is intention. So whatever you do, if your intention is good, if your niyyat is good, it means whatever you do, what your action is, if that very action is good, and that very action, if your niyyat, if your intention is good, so what will happen? You will push to Jannat. You will find Jannat. Allah Almighty will give you Jannat. If your intention is not good, if your niyyat is not good, if you are doing something for the people, for happiness of people, so what will happen? You will push to Jannat. You will throw to Jannat. So it means that the center thing in all the actions is your intentions, your action. So that's why the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that your actions are being determined by your intentions. Your actions are being determined by your intentions. So whatever you do, whether it is small, whether even it is a small amount of money, so it is just for the people. No, it is just not for the people, but for the Allah Almighty, for the happiness of Allah Almighty. So our first hadith is that your actions are being determined by your intention, means that your intention should be your intention should be right. Your intention should be not for the people but for Allah Almighty. So this is our first hadith. Inshallah, in the next video we will talk on the second hadith. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.